Man, what's good, my boys? You already know it's Itsgontae here, back with another video. And I'm gonna try to keep this one as short and sweet as possible for you boys. I'm gonna run y'all through the do's and don'ts when you talking to a girl, you're trying to get a girl, you're trying to impress a girl. Because let's be honest, y'all can't pull. That's the reason why you here. Be real, you can't pull. You wanna pull more. You either think you boring, corny, lame, or she just simply friend zoning you. So I got my notes and I'm gonna try to get y'all right. The first thing we're gonna start off with is the 3 C's: communication, control, and confidence. First thing is control. You're not going to be able to control everything. You approach her. She got a boyfriend. You can't control that. It is what it is. On to the next. What you can control though is what you say when you approach her. Don't ask for her Snapchat. We too grown, we too old to be asking for her Snapchat. Which brings me to my next point: how you communicate. A lot of girls think y'all boring because y'all don't got substance. So for example, let's say you approach her. Don't just be like, oh, I thought you was cute. Can I get your number? Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Giante. If she with her friends, speak to the friend group, compliment the friend group. And then talk about her outfit or something. They're like, oh, I like your outfit, whatever, whatever. What you in here getting? She get to telling you what she getting. Damn, you ain't even getting nothing for me? You know, jokes, banter. And then you proceed to say, you thought she was attractive. Boom, can I get your number? Can I get your Instagram? Again, no Snapchat, bro. And the third C, like I said, is confidence. So when you're doing all this, you gotta have confidence. You gotta have confidence in giving your phone. Y'all be giving your phone and your hand be number, bruh. Relax. Like don't come over there stuttering. It's okay to be nervous, but if you gonna do it like you know you gonna get the number. And even if you don't, you walk away with your head high. You don't press her about not giving up the number or nothing. You just keep it pushing. And then let's say you get the Instagram, right? So boom, now you got her Instagram. She gave you her Instagram. What does your Instagram look like right now? Because this is the biggest problem y'all run into. Y'all get a girl to Instagram. She about to look at your highlights because you got 0 posts. I'm going to put up some examples of what not to do. The black screen, not to do. The celebrity profile picture, not to do. The anime profile picture, not to do. The no post on your page, the random highlights. Girls like organization. If you got a nice feed, nice highlights, everything is organized, it's gonna make her want to talk to you. Now, I'm not saying you gotta be chronically online. How your Instagram looks matters. And then it's just about reading the room. Not every girl gonna be a vibe, bro. Y'all be trying to force these girls to be vibes. Be real with yourself. She's boring too. You never want to just be getting answers. For example, you ask her what you doing. If she's ending every sentence with how about you, without at least trying to change the topic, like, oh, did you eat today? Oh, I know you said you had school earlier. Like, how was that? It's the substance behind the question. Is if every time you text her, she is just answering. She's just replying. There is no real thought put into the reply. The how about you, anytime a person is just constantly saying how about you, that's not making conversation. You're talking to yourself. But you also don't want to be boring. So when you're talking to her, ask her questions that's going to make her think. What do you want out of life? What's one thing you value in a relationship? If you could be better in one area, what would it be? What's your family life like? These are the type of questions that you want to ask a girl that you're trying to get to know. You want to show you have substance. Especially that family life question. For example, she get to talk about her family. She don't really talk to her dad much. Then you know to not ask about her dad. Or same thing with her mom. She don't talk to her mom much. Or one of her parents died. The more vulnerable and comfortable she is with you, that's when you know you're getting somewhere. That's when you know she's interested. If she's not comfortable, she is not interested. Same thing with if you link her and she sitting to the side, she's quiet, she's timid, she's not comfortable. The minute she start to open her arms up, reading her body language, just her opening her arms up means she's more comfortable. This is closed off. This is guarded. This is comfortable. But also, like I said, bro, not every girl is gonna be interested in you. So just because you got her number, just because you got her Instagram, don't mean that's about to be your girl. If she taking 3 hours to text back, 7 hours to text back, not letting you know like, hey, I'm gonna be here or I'm gonna be busy with this, then she's not interested in you. Girls be on their phone 24/7. They be texting their friends. They be shopping. She can't text you back. She's not interested. If she not watching your story or she watch your story, no heart, she don't swipe up on it. She never swipes up on your story. You're posting all these stories for her. She ain't swiped up on one. What makes you think she interested? A girl who's kinda interested. We all got that one girl who swipe up on all our stories. She be like, boy, you think you cute. Like, if she not even giving you that kind of banter, she's really not interested. And I already told y'all the method to knowing if somebody be watching your story. You literally just go to Instagram, hit the share button on any one of your pictures, and then click Instagram direct. If you see her name, that means she be watching your story. And that heart, girls don't swipe up often. The way girls flirt is they heart the story. That's their flirting. So if she's not hearting the story, she's not flirting with you. And lastly is don't be afraid to get on that phone. You gotta get on the phone with her. You gotta talk to her. That's how you get her to link. She gotta hear your voice. She gotta want to talk to you. Them long phone calls, them 10-hour phone, 8-hour phone calls, falling asleep on the phone. But you gotta be able to get on that phone and be confident, like talk to her. Cause girls love our voice, like they want to hear us talk. Especially at night, especially in our sleepy voice, like, yeah, I'm tired, but I want to talk to you. Like, I'm giving y'all a game. And if y'all want me to do a whole video on FaceTiming a girl and doing that, then y'all gotta at least get this video to 1,000 likes. And when we make that happen, I'm gonna do a full FaceTime video, full breakdown on that. But yeah, that's basically all I got for y'all in this video. Make sure y'all hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what y'all want. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see, what other advice y'all need. Don't forget to subscribe, share this. And I hope I get you boys right, and I'm gonna see y'all soon. Peace.